We've been working with CLX Logistics for 8 years now. As we met with our business groups, we discovered that we were missing a piece. We were missing the visibility of our shipment costs. We were missing the visibility of where our shipments were. And we needed a system to help us expose where those costs were, where those empty buckets were, and so we could explain to our business groups, what the costs were and why we were having to pay those particular costs, so they could plan for those particular costs. And also to help our customers understand where our shipments were and see exactly the status that we had our shipments in. So we had to go out and find a system that could meet those challenges that we had before us. We needed a company that was flexible, and we found that CLX was flexible. It was flexible in helping us implement in our time schedule. It's flexible enough so that we could phase in their particular operations that they had. We were needing a company that could do that. We looked at 15 companies to start with. We got it down to 5. We visited 5, and CLX was one of the 5 that we looked at. And because of their flexibility that they had and the people that they had in the background to help support that particular system, that's why we went with CLX Logistics. TMS has given that flexibility and visibility that we were looking for. We see the cost better. We get reports out of the system that shows us the cost, and we can give that back to our business unit. So it met our initial goals that we had, that we were looking for. And the people behind it, the support behind it, in calling up to CLX and asking questions, they were there to support us. They were there to help us. And as we expanded as a company, they were there to help us expand in our timetable, and was flexible enough to meet our timetable instead of waiting on them to meet their timetable. So their support in doing those things really has helped us a lot. CLX has had a very positive impact on our operations. We're a global company. We're able to expand the use of the CLX tools that they offer. They've given us the visibility that we've asked for. They've helped us reduce our cost in our transportation, and they've also helped us look at other tools that would help us improve our visibility of shipment status and meeting some of our global goals and making sure that we're delivering our product to our customer on time. I would highly recommend CLX Logistics. They have helped us meet the objectives that we've had with our company. We wanted to see the visibility of our freight costs. We want to see the visibility of our shipments, and they met those goals. And they brought along not only great tools, but also the knowledge and the skills and of the transportation industry that came along with it. And they were able to help us take a look at our whole logistics network and understand where can we cut costs, where can we improve the process. And they will do the same thing with any other company because they have the knowledge and the expertise and the flexibility to meet your needs that you have there.